Welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for checking out today's video. Now, if you own a Sony a7 IV, the chances are you've looked at buying a cage for your camera. And one of the most popular cages for the Sony a7 IV is the standard SMALLRIG cage. It offers great protection for your camera and comes with loads of mounting options for accessories like microphones, monitors, etc. But there's just one problem with this cage: it needs to go on a serious diet. It's a little bit, how can we say it, like a roll cage out of a rally car. So that started my journey into finding the best cage for my Sony a7 IV, and I believe I have found it. This is it right here. It's the SMALLRIG Rhinoceros Advanced Cage Kit for your Sony a7 IV or Sony a7R5 or Sony a7S III. Now, as someone that's already used this cage kit on their Sony a7 IV, I can already tell you that it is absolutely fantastic. Let's see what we get in the box. First off, we get an ARRI mount top handle, which comes in this fabulous gunmetal grey colour. And also look at that carbon fibre finish. It is absolutely stunning. We also get a full-size HDMI clamp. Then we get the cage itself, which is the same gunmetal grey as the top handle, and you'll notice a lot more streamlined than the standard SMALLRIG cage. And when I show you how this fits onto your camera, it literally hugs it tight. And the final thing in the kit is the side handle, and just look at the finish of that side handle. Again, we get that gunmetal grey colour on the top of the handle, but the majority of the side handle is made from carbon fibre. Notice the NATO rail attachment to fit onto our cage. Right, let's start mounting the cage to our camera and show you just how easy this is. Now, on the bottom of the SMALLRIG cage is a tool that we can use to fit the cage to our camera. And all we have to do is tighten up the 3 mounting points, one on the bottom of the camera, one next to the battery door compartment, and one on the left hand side of the camera. And as easy as that, we've mounted the cage to our camera, and just look how closely it hugs the contours of the body of the camera and how streamlined it really is compared to the standard SMALLRIG cage. And in my opinion, it makes the camera look absolutely fantastic, but as always, let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. Right, let's put the side handle on. And because this has a NATO mount, all we have to do is slide it onto the cage and simply tighten it up. And not only does the camera now look absolutely fantastic, it's also more practical when it comes to video recording. Right, time for the top handle, and this is going to finish off our build. And because the top handle comes with an ARRI mounting screw, all we have to do is tighten this up and the handle is then fixed into position. And there you have it, that's the SMALLRIG Rhinoceros Advanced Cage Kit for your Sony a7 IV. And I can tell you that this cage kit is just levels above anything else on the market at the moment. The build quality and weight of the cage, the side handle and the top handle is just outstanding, and in my opinion deserves a score of 10 out of 10. In fact, the only negative that I can find with this cage kit is its price, which comes in at an eye-watering £300 UK. And as SMALLRIG hasn't sponsored this video, if you'd like to help me get over the loss of £300 UK, please give this video a big thumbs up and help me out by hitting that subscribe button down below. Right, thank you very much for getting to the end of this video. Whilst you're here, why don't you check out this video also? But thank you very much for watching. We'll catch up in the next video. See you soon, everybody.